Hello everyone! Ngayon, pag-aralan natin yung power of a power. Okay po? So, meron tayo ditong xy raised to m, xy raised to 2, 2xy raised to 2, and so on and so forth. Okay, x and y raised to m. So, distribute natin yung m dito sa x and y. Understood na ang na-exponent ng x ay 1. So, pag multiply natin ang m sa 1, the answer is m times 1, the answer is m. M times 1, the answer is m. So, x raised to m, y raised to m. Same process po sa next xy raised to 2. So, x raised to 2, y raised to 2. Next, distribute natin ulit. So, 2 raised to 2, x raised to 2, and then y raised to 2. Then, yung 2 raised to 2, the answer is 4. Kasi, twice natin i-multiply yung 2, the answer is 4. Copy natin yung x squared, then y squared. Huwag pong i-multiply yung base sa exponent. Hindi po yun. Next, 2 raised to 2. Kasi, understood na ang exponent ng 2 ay 1. So, magiging 2 raised to 2, then x. Then, 2 times 2, i-multiply natin. 2 times 2, the answer is 4. So, 2 times 2, then y. So, 2 times 2 ulit. Kasi ang exponent to exponent. Kaya tinatawag natin na power of a power. So, 4, x raised to 4, then y raised to 4. Okay. So, next, last example. So, syempre, ang gagawin nyo, yung sagot, i-comment nyo lang sa baba, sa comment section. Thank you and good luck.